Esteemed Mr. Minister, I am very glad to see you. Good afternoon, welcome. You are visiting Russia at a difficult time, at a time of sharp deterioration of the situation in the region and around your country. Our position on the current events is well known. It is clearly stated, articulated by the Ministry of Foreign Affairs on behalf of Russia, and you know about the position we have taken in the Security Council of the United Nations. The absolutely unprovoked aggression against Iran has no basis and no justification. We have long-standing, good, reliable relations with Iran. We, for our part, are making efforts to assist the Iranian people. As you know, I had a telephone conversation with the President of the United States, Donald Trump, and with the Prime Minister of Israel, Benjamin Netanyahu, with the President of the United Arab Emirates, Mohammed Al Nahyan, with the President of your country, Masoud Pezeshkian. I know that you just met with the foreign ministers in Europe. I am very glad that you are in Moscow today. This will give us the opportunity to discuss all these pressing issues and think together about how we could get out of today's situation. Please convey my best wishes to both the President of Iran and the Supreme Leader, Ali Khamenei.
Dear Mr. President, I am glad to have the opportunity to meet with you today. As you rightly noted, this meeting is taking place at a time when all the crises and issues in our region are only getting worse. We have very close and good relations, as you noted, and in recent years, our bilateral relations have become strategic in nature. We constantly consult with our Russian colleagues on a regular basis in all areas and issues of global security. In the area of Iran's nuclear program, the Russian Federation, as a partner, is building us a nuclear power plant in Bushehr, helping us in this area, as well as in matters of reaching nuclear agreements. The Russian Federation played a positive role so that we could reach good agreements, but you can clearly see that the level of escalation is only growing every day. Unfortunately, because they decided to attack us, our facilities, not only Israel, but then the Americans decided to attack our facilities. These aggressive actions by Israel and the United States are completely illegitimate and violate international rules and international norms, and we are now defending our sovereignty and country. And our defense is legitimate. We also wanted to thank our Russian colleagues and friends for strongly condemning these aggressive actions. Russia today is on the right side of history and international law. Also, the Supreme Leader and the Iranian President, Mr. Pezeshkian, asked me to convey their best wishes to you. I hope that today we will be able to discuss the full range of issues related